Hi, welcome back to Halloween House. Today we are going to be going over just a little bit of gun safety and the basics of cleaning your gun.
And oiling your gun. What do you have?
I have a Ruger Single 6.
And I have a Smith & Wesson 380 Shield Easy. Mine is loaded. I just wanted to show you real quickly how to make sure it's unloaded before you start your cleaning. You just drop the clip. There's a little button right there. Pull back the chamber. Bullet pops out. You can see, completely empty.
And I'm going to check as well, so I'm going to open the little door on the side and check all the chambers, and we are not loaded, so we're good to go. So we're going to start by taking apart so that we can clean.
And what I did, I have a little button here that keeps it in this position. With any basic gun cleaning, you get 4 attachments and a rod. I've already screwed mine in. You get one for a 45, you get one for a 22, and you get one for a 30 caliber. Right now I have a 30 caliber. So what you do is you just take a little piece of cotton. Oops. You put that on the end. And it just gets that gunk out. Probably want to use it maybe, sometimes it can be tricky. Maybe every 100 rounds or so, just to get that gook out of the... Go in there, you pull it out, gets all that dirt off. Okay, and to switch attachments, you just unscrew. And then she will be using the 22.
Piece of cloth.
Oh, forgot about that.
And so we'll go ahead, clean this one up. And here's our cloth. Hard part is getting this back out. Cloth came with it. Got a little bit of dirt.
And that's pretty much basically it. Mine is a lot easier than hers. She's got to do stuff. Me, I just hit that button right there. It's back to normal. I'm going to leave the clip out because we are going to get into oiling it.
I just have to figure out how to put it back in, but we'll be there in a minute.
I like to do, what you should do, is you have this gun scrubber stuff, and if you see any icky gook and stuff on there, you just spray a tiny little bit. See, I got a little bit of whatever in there, so just a little. I'll take my little cloth and a toothpick or whatever and just clean it up. You don't want to spray too much, or just get that gook off. Make it nice and pretty looking. That's about it. Okay, and then oiling is really basically simple. Again, I cocked it back here. You never want to over oil your gun, and I don't think it needs any oil, so I'm just going to show you very briefly where you would want to oil it. So when it's cocked like this, you would want to put just a little dab right there. You put on a little dab by the firing pin, just a little bit, and then along the slide. And never too much.
And on this gun, we would actually just do a little bit inside here. Keep everything moving nice. And then a little bit right in here. And we're good to go.
Yeah. And then another thing, when we cleaned our bore, we didn't use this stuff. But if you've been firing a whole lot lately, they do make gun bore cleaner if you want to use it with your rod and your tissues. It's not always necessary. So that's it. That's basic gun care and cleaning.